The standing hamstring static hold and pulses are going to blast your hammies. You're gonna need to hold on to the back of a chair, the back of a couch. You've got the Libre bar here. You can hold on to a squat rack, a barbell, something that's stable. You wanna start with your blades pressed through. Your pelvis is tucked under. Your foot placement depends on how far you have to reach onto this object. So because of where I am, I'm gonna bring my foot back. You'll wanna play with it. You might find that you feel better the foot closer or farther away. Next, keeping this leg straight, you're going to then isolate the movement to your hip. You've got that pelvis tucked. You're lifting from the hip joint. So this is all glute and hamstring that are doing the movement here. I'm not letting my back arch. Nice and tucked, lift. So you're gonna lift, hold, 3 to 5 seconds, down slowly, lift, hold. And I'm really reaching as far as I can using the muscles around my hip. I'm not bending my knee, I'm not arching my back. If you wanna intensify this even more, you're gonna add some pulsing to it. So after you lift, you're gonna bend that knee, straighten it, extend, bend, straighten, extend, bend, straighten, extend. Those pulses, ooh. You're gonna really enjoy this. It looks like it isn't doing much. This is only 5 pounds of weight and it is just ripping my hamstring. So if you could do this with more and maintain your form, you're a beast.